Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the zoomed in screen issue on Instagram. If your screen looks too zoomed in and you can't see the full content, follow these steps. On your phone, go to Settings and look for Accessibility. Sometimes, the zoom feature in accessibility settings can cause your screen to appear zoomed in on apps like Instagram. In the accessibility section, find the zoom option and make sure it's turned off. This will prevent your screen from zooming in unnecessarily. Now, go back to Instagram and check if the screen is now displaying properly. If the issue is resolved, great. If not, let's move on to the next step. Check display settings. Go to your phone's display settings and make sure your screen size or text scaling isn't set too large. If the screen size is too large, it can make Instagram appear zoomed in. Next, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, find Instagram, Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. If you're on iPhone, uninstall and reinstall Instagram. This can help if the issue is caused by a temporary glitch. And finally, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there is any update available. Updates often fix bugs that might cause the app to display incorrectly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the zoomed in screen issue on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!